Think about the feeling of tired, heavy legs after a long day on your feet, or perhaps the discomfort of dry, tight skin that just doesn't feel nourished. Maybe you notice a lack of suppleness, or wish you could find a simple way to soothe minor aches or improve the look and feel of the skin on your legs. You might have tried various lotions or remedies with limited success, or simply dismissed these issues as minor inconveniences. Feeling like consistent comfort and vitality in your legs are hard to achieve. But what if addressing these common concerns isn't about complicated treatments or expensive products, but lies in harnessing the potent, natural properties of one specific, accessible oil applied directly to your skin? How can a simple, consistent application of a particular oil potentially lead to remarkable positive changes in the comfort, hydration, and overall health of your legs, with results you might be genuinely surprised by, perhaps even in as little as 1 week? Did you realize that the skin and underlying tissues of your legs, exposed to daily stress, friction, and environmental factors, profoundly benefit from targeted external nourishment and support, and that specific natural oils contain unique compounds capable of deeply penetrating the skin to influence hydration, soothe irritation, and support tissue health? It's not your imagination that your skin might become drier, less resilient, or that your legs can feel achy or uncomfortable as you age. Factors like reduced natural oil production, impaired skin barrier function, and even subtle inflammation can all impact the health and comfort of your legs. While diet is crucial for internal wellness, applying beneficial substances directly to the skin in areas prone to dryness, discomfort, or lack of vitality can provide focused, localized support that internal methods might not achieve as directly. Often the power of simple, natural topical applications in providing this targeted benefit is significantly underestimated, and relying solely on general body lotions or internal approaches can leave your legs needing more specific care. This subtle lack of targeted external nourishment and support is quietly contributing to dryness, discomfort, and a less vibrant feeling in your legs. Have you ever felt that your legs are particularly in need of targeted care, experienced persistent dryness or minor aches that a simple, topical application might help, or wondered if there was an easy, natural way to give your legs extra support from the outside? This isn't just typical aging skin or minor aches. It points to the potential for direct external nourishment, soothing and healing that specific natural oils can provide, influencing comfort and appearance relatively quickly. The critical importance of maintaining skin hydration and barrier function, alongside supporting underlying tissue comfort through targeted topical applications, particularly to address dryness, minor aches, and lack of suppleness in aging legs, is now gaining greater recognition in natural health and skincare. Unlike widespread systemic issues that require internal treatment, topical applications can deliver beneficial compounds directly to the area where support is needed most, providing localized comfort and nourishment. Issues like compromised skin hydration, inflammation just below the surface, or discomfort from daily strain often function in the background. There are no blaring sirens signaling that a natural oil could improve your skin's barrier or help calm localized tissue irritation. However, a simple, consistent application of the right oil can penetrate the outer skin layers and potentially influence hydration levels, soothe irritation, support the skin's natural barrier function, and even offer mild analgesic or anti-inflammatory effects to help comfort minor aches, gradually improving the feel and appearance of your legs. A startling truth observed by countless individuals who have incorporated this practice. The results can be surprisingly noticeable, particularly regarding skin texture, hydration, and a sense of soothing comfort, sometimes in as little as 7 days, prompting them to share their surprise at the rapid, positive changes from such a simple habit. The worst thing isn't even that these common issues with legs occur. It's that many seniors and others simply don't realize how powerfully accessible everyday natural oils, when applied strategically and consistently, can provide targeted benefits that can lead to genuinely surprising results in a relatively short time frame. This process of silent neglect of targeted topical care for areas prone to dryness, discomfort, and lack of vitality can contribute to issues that become more pronounced with age, but the window for noticeable improvement with the right application is often much quicker than people expect. This one click could make all the difference. If you or someone you care about is experiencing dryness, minor discomfort, lack of suppleness, or simply wants to proactively support the health and vitality of the skin and underlying tissues in their legs, and discover a simple, Natural practice that could yield surprisingly noticeable results in just 7 days. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell before we proceed with this life-altering information about the oil you should apply to your legs for surprising results in just 7 days. Every week we offer important health insights, like this one that could significantly raise your standard of living, physical comfort, and confidence in your body. Our upcoming video might be just what you or a loved one needs to hear to give their legs the targeted, effective care they deserve with surprising speed. So don't miss it. Are you prepared to discover this surprising oil and its potential rapid benefits for your legs? Get ready. And I want to know whether you's with me if you's now watching. If this video resonates with you, if you felt dryness, discomfort, or wished for a simple way to improve the health and appearance of your legs, let us know one specific thing you hope to improve about your legs by typing it in the comments below. The uplifting discovery: relief from common leg discomforts, profound improvement in skin hydration, and enhanced suppleness can be surprisingly simple and quick to achieve through the targeted external application of a powerful natural oil. There is immense hope for addressing issues like dryness, minor aches, and lack of resilience in your legs by providing them with specific, beneficial nourishment directly to the skin and underlying tissues. The notion that effective topical care requires complex or expensive products is being challenged by recognizing that certain natural oils contain potent compounds capable of penetrating the skin barrier to deliver significant benefits. According to anecdotal evidence and the known properties of its key components, consistently applying a specific oil can significantly improve skin hydration, help calm inflammation, soothe minor discomfort, and improve the look and feel of the skin, with many individuals reporting surprising and noticeable positive changes sometimes occurring rapidly, in as little as 1 week. Researchers understand the unique properties of the compounds in this oil and how they can influence hydration levels, reduce inflammatory markers in the skin, and support the skin's natural barrier function. What if you knew that by focusing on applying just one accessible, natural oil to your legs regularly, you can provide them with crucial, targeted support that leverages its unique properties, potentially leading to surprisingly visible and felt results in as little as 1 week? When it comes to supporting the health, comfort, and appearance of aging legs, strategically applying this specific oil can be a remarkably effective, fast-acting, and simple strategy. Let's dive into the oil to apply to your legs that could surprise you with results in just 7 days. The powerful oil to apply to your legs for potentially surprising results in just 7 days is castor oil. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is a thick, viscous oil with a unique chemical composition. Its primary component, making up nearly 90% of the oil, is ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid possesses potent natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. When applied topically and massaged into the skin, the ricinoleic acid is thought to be absorbed, where it may influence inflammatory pathways in the tissues just below the skin surface. This can help soothe minor aches, discomfort, and reduce localized inflammation that might be contributing to a feeling of heaviness or tenderness in the legs. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, castor oil is a powerful humectant and emollient. This means it has a remarkable ability to attract moisture from the air and draw it into the skin, providing deep hydration. It also creates a protective barrier on the skin surface, preventing moisture loss and leaving even very dry skin feeling significantly softer, smoother, and more supple. This intense hydration alone can lead to surprising improvements in skin, appearance, and comfort in a short period. Its ability to penetrate the skin and deliver these benefits directly is why it's been used traditionally for various topical applications. The combination of deep hydration, barrier support, and potential anti-inflammatory soothing effects makes castor oil a powerful ally for the health and comfort of your legs, with effects that many people find surprisingly noticeable within the first week of consistent use. How to apply it? The key is consistency. Pour a small amount of pure, cold-pressed castor oil into your hands. It's thick, so start with a little. Gently warm it by rubbing your hands together. Apply the oil generously to your legs, focusing on areas that feel dry, uncomfortable, or where you notice swelling. Massage the oil into the skin using upward strokes towards your heart for several minutes. This helps with absorption and can also stimulate circulation, adding another layer of benefit. It can be applied once or twice daily, perhaps after showering or before bed. Since it's thick, Some people prefer to apply it before bed and wear old pajamas or cover their bedding with an old towel to protect from staining, although massaging it in well can help absorption. The surprising results in 7 days are often related to improvements in skin hydration, softness, reduced tightness from dryness, and a soothing effect on minor aches. Your comfort, the health of your skin, and the vitality of your legs tomorrow are profoundly influenced by the targeted support you provide them today. Just accepting dryness, discomfort, or lack of suppleness isn't maximizing your potential for comfort and well-being. Applying castor oil regularly provides your legs with crucial hydration, anti-inflammatory compounds, and soothing properties, leveraging its unique composition for targeted benefits. Consistently implementing this simple practice can significantly improve the feel and appearance of your legs, reduce dryness, soothe minor aches, and offer surprising, noticeable results potentially in as little as 7 days, unlike just hoping for improvement or relying on less potent products. Keep in mind that while castor oil offers impressive topical benefits, persistent or severe swelling or pain should always be evaluated by a healthcare professional to rule out underlying medical conditions. Your leg health and comfort will benefit over time. As you consistently apply this powerful natural oil, don't wait until dryness causes cracking, until discomfort limits your activity, or when you feel your legs are perpetually tired and lacking vitality. With these insights into the oil to apply to your legs for surprising results in just 7 days, focusing on the potent hydration and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, you can begin actively supporting the health and comfort of your legs right now. The startling reality is that incorporating this simple, accessible, and effective natural oil into your daily routine, with consistent application, may dramatically improve the hydration, suppleness, and comfort of your legs, and potentially help soothe minor aches. With many people experiencing surprising positive changes in as little as 1 week, far more than relying on chance or accepting these issues as inevitable. You literally hold the power, through choosing this specific oil and applying it regularly, to enhance the health and quality of life of your legs. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately. If you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on using castor oil for your legs, we are always looking at the newest developments in natural health, skincare, longevity, and vibrant aging. 3 easy morning routines that can prolong your life are revealed in our upcoming video. You should not miss it. Show this video to a loved one who may be experiencing dryness, discomfort, lack of suppleness, or minor aches in their legs and is looking for a simple, natural solution that could provide surprisingly quick results. Their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful information. After learning about castor oil, what kind of surprising result are you most hopeful to see in your legs within the first 7 days? Share your hope in the comments below.